Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how is it going on? Let me introduce myself. My name is Claravita. In this video, we're gonna learn vocabularies about nature. Okay, let's start. The first is tree. Tree in Indonesian is pohon. The example sentence is trees can produce oxygen. The next is mountain. Mountain in Indonesian is gunung. The example sentence is I wanna climb the mountain. The third vocab is river. In Indonesian, river is sungai. The example sentence is don't throw trash into the river. The next is beach. In Indonesian, beach is pantai. The example is the beach is so beautiful. Subsequently, waterfall. Waterfall in Indonesian is air terjun. And the example sentence is they are go to waterfall. And then jungle. Jungle in Indonesian is hutan. And the example sentence is many trees in jungle. The next vocabulary is island. Island in Indonesian is pulau. And the example sentence is the ship passed through two islands. The last vocab is sky. In Indonesian, sky is langit. Example sentence: the sky is gorgeous. Okay, that's all from me and see you in the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.